kumban pen sapriang ban yalap shaki paitba nong shong shnong khamtam shaki khon samla ki khanna school ya ka jingsnu jong drok la haki jakasor lane haki jaka nong kondong nakalyang ka school Sacred Heart Secondary School marman kalapenlong ya ka inter school competition hak biade barki jingakop kum ka group singing competition dancing competition ka essay writing ka speech competition lambat kiwi de shaphang kumno ban kantaj mardor ya ka jingmat ya udrok hakane ka jingyakop lawan shimbenta daki khana school baper kum ka school Fatima Umkon ka school Don Bosco Umdan ka school Saint Joseph Umdan nong telu diwan bat ka school Saint Francis Siang yakane ka jingyakop lawan ban pensngan daw Nga-Mayralborn Syiem UMLA kanongpo constituency haka jingindon lang ka sister ka principal Jong ka school marman ki sister na ki convent upadar na Siang parish kiramba shnong na ki shnong marman bat ki shnong bamarjan kinong hikay na ki school baper lapan ku buromru ya prangut ki khana school na ka school Sacred Heart marman da UMLA ya ki khana school ke bala pas bha haka exam ka bala penlong da ka NGO Dipika Children's Link halor ka exam ka bala penlong da ka ne ka kunhun habaro ka langkari India haba ajengkren na kalyang ukongsan uba Nga-Mayralborn Syiem ulakan tu ya ki pajba ki khana school bakindai ban kentaj mardor ya udrok haka jingim ka jongki ulapan kan mauru bahaman laki pus ba uba Nga-Mayralborn Syiem uju pus haki social media ki Jong umju klet ban pen kan mau ya ka Jingthoh ka baong se no to drog ya ki brew ki bapej ya ka pus ki Jong Shushu ulaban rap ba uda sengo komen shikat day ban sakhi yakum kane ka program ya ka ba ka school Sacred Heart marman kala penlong ya kane ka program ba kiwi kin yo jingtip ki khana school halor kumno bakin pikir yalade yakum kine ki jingdi penbuat.
I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our respected chief guest, Honorable MLA Mr. Nga-Mayralborn Syiem, for kindly accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion with his valuable presence. Now, it is my great honor to welcome our chief guest with a small token of appreciation. May I invite our school vice captain, Vikas Singh from class 9, to come forward and present a beautiful clap your hands. All of you louder. Essay writing and speech. I encourage all the participants to perform with confidence and enthusiasm. Dear young friends, your life is precious and full of hope. Do not allow drugs to destroy your dreams and your future. Let us stand together and raise our voice for a drug-free society. Let our voice today become echoes of hope. Together, let us say, no to drugs and yes to life.
Many young people are exposed to posts, reels, videos, and images that glamorize smoking, drinking, and using drugs. Influencers, celebrities, and friends sometimes show drugs as fashionable and fun.
The promotion of drugs use on social media, the promotion of drugs on social media can lead to addiction, health problems, and even legal issues. Parents, teachers, and community leaders can guide young people to use social media responsibly and critically evaluate the content they see.
To the cause that we should say no to drugs. I've been advocating for this very cause for the past many years. If you take a time to see at various posts that I have been posted in Facebook or Instagram, I must say on record that I have never failed to mention say no to drugs, say no to tobacco, and say yes to good health. It is very important. And I'm happy today that the school has taken this initiative to ensure that the generation to come, they will be aware about the consequences, the ramification that is going to take place in the society if the young generation will be indulged into drugs. Kiparanong sangsunong gibi kani kesinjang kabakongsan hadu kata-kata ban penting kena batumnu ban penduk jahat ya drugs kalong kabakongsan banadu kapor kabagi kena school hagir ta gidang fi kumni hagir long samla gidang fi kabakongsan bagidang gijing hikai na kapor sa kapor bagilay ban ong ya drugs lay ban kentak mardor ya drugs namar kata kani ketika segi kabakongsan adu kata-kata habang iya gijing simkhya gajong kani school but school gibi simbenta hapo jong kani segi para segi. I extend my best wishes to the other school also who have come all along despite of the weather condition like this. You have reached safe and sound into these premises to participate, and I wish you all the best in all your endeavors, especially in taking part in various activities that are going to organize by the school today. Salong kepesultanan bani bagali ke school kumala abang suhu hikimi kipa kibaran saudong jaman di jaka ke school kalanang kiu nagapor sakapor kajingla jong sister ban pendikena baga pule ke puthi kariban kiu kene katong bakathan kijing Krishan nagaliang jaga mission hapo ke congregation ban pendikena bagdan ke school building ke babit ke babiang di kamera kelas ki babiang bathamdang banyo ya kinong ikai ki betibit pangam maratin banong baginong ikai jo ke school ki badang mentah kila bandai na ke snong kila bandai na giwei snong kila bandai na giwei ki district ke bejala ke jami hiwan ni ki jaka ki bapher hiwan bansa hangne ban bet dia sumbai jo ke sa ya kini ki hep ki berit ki kun samla di kena school jaman katong berketan